Hi students, I Sandeep. Today I am going to teach computer class 4th. The name of this chapter is the Internet Web Browser. You can look at the PPT. The name of this chapter is Internet Web Browser. So in this chapter I am going to discuss what is the importance of internet in our life, what are the work we can finish on the internet, why internet is helping in our daily life. Okay, so first you can look in the PPT. Internet is defined as a group of two or more computer systems linked together. Internet is the largest network that link millions of the computer with each other to share information across the world. Okay, see, look in the PPT, one globe is there, it is representing internet, and so many computers are connected with the help of this globe. Why? Internet. And we can search, if you want to share information with your friend, relative, he or maybe in any other country, any state, any village, you can directly contact with this by internet. Okay, so what is, again, this is one question also, define what is internet. So you have to write answer. Internet is the largest network that link millions of the computer each other to share information across the world. We can, if your relative is in Canada, America, anywhere, and when any function is going in your home, you are capturing the photograph and you are sending to particular relative. It means we can share information all over the world. The internet offers many facilities at your fingertips. We will get the different, as I told you that internet is also helping in daily life. What are the facilities on the internet we can use? Net banking, pay bill, book tickets, sell, buy goods, play games, listen to the music. These are the things which we can cover with the help of internet. Now, history of internet. Okay, in starting, internet was used by the USA Defense, okay, to share their information. Okay, and there is one term is ARPANET. It's, you have to write the full form of this. At the end I will give you homework. The full form is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Okay, then what are the terms required for internet? There are the different terms. If you want to run internet, you need the different kind of things, different term you want. First one is, as you look in the PPT, first one is computer system. Okay, in the computer system all the things should be work properly, like keyboard work properly, mouse, CPU, monitor, and if you want to get good service by the internet, your part should be good, working in good manners. Okay, internet, see in the computer, in the PPT you can look, keyboard is there, mouse, monitor, speaker, CPU, and one important thing is there, wireless modem. Okay, next the thing is modem. What is the working of the modem? A modem required for connecting internet. A modem is a short form of modulated and demodulated. What is the working of the modem? A modem is doing converting the signal analog to digital and digital to analog. There are two kind of modem. One is in your computer, one is external, one is internal. Internal, you can look, internal is fit in CPU. Okay, and there are the two kind of connection. Internet connection is like a dial-up connection and broadband connection. Dial-up connection we are using with the help of dials. Next we are having IPS. Look in the PPT, here it is internet at the top, then IPS. With the help of IPS we are connecting government, home, large corporation, small business and education. Okay, there is one full form also. You have to write what is the meaning of IPS. It is in the fill in the blanks also. So the full form of this internet service provider. Okay, there are the different internet service provider like Airtel, Idea. In this case, these are giving good speed, and with the less amount we are getting good data. Okay, so if we have what is the working of the internet? Internet is how this IPS is working. We have to recharge. It is depend upon your amount, monthly recharge, 2 month, 3 month. As per the amount, we will get data, and we can use this data. Okay, then same data we can use, connect with our computer, laptop. You can on your hotspot, and your friend also, your friend, relative, and other family members also can use this same data with the help of IPS. Next, web browser. Okay, look in the PPT, there are 3 web browsers given to you. What is the working of the web browser? Web browser is a software that is used to open a website. Some popular web browsers are Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, then Mozilla Firefox. Okay, see it in the starting it is Internet Explorer. Okay, Internet Explorer, students, when we have to install window, first when we have to install window, the Internet Explorer is coming inbuilt in your computer. Okay, next, if then Google Chrome is there, Firefox is there, but these software you have to download from internet. I am not mentioning their name. You have to look the logo. Okay, you have to look the logo of this particular web browser and write name. This is also one your assignment. I myself not mention the name of this particular web browser. You have to yourself look at the pictures and write the name of this web browsers. Okay, next, important term related to internet. If you want to use internet, this term should be, you have to learn. First one is World Wide Web. Term related to internet, World Wide Web. World Wide Web is one of the service available on the internet. It is electronic library actually, and lot of the information in the form of text, pictures and sound will get with the help of World Wide Web. Next is web page. Look in the PPTs. A web page is an individual page of a website. As I told you, this a web page is individual page containing information on the worldwide. It is also one short. It will be also in your exercise. The information provided on the web page can be in the form of text, pictures. Next is website. Okay, see, look in the PPT, see my cursor, these are the different things. Okay, what is it representing? It is also in define. Website, you have to give the definition of a website. A website is a collection of pages related to some topic is called website. You have to give this answer. It is in the back side. A website is a page related to some topic is called website. Next, home. Okay, you can see, look in the PPT, and this is your school name is given. Okay, this is your school website. Okay, school website home page. I myself taken this print screenshot and put for this, and all the information will get from home page. See, home is there, about is there, academic, facility, rules, contact us, events. This will get from home page. Next is this home page. Next is URL. URLs you have to also, I am giving you this full form, Uniform Resource Locator. Every website has its unique address called URL. It is also called web address. Okay, you have to write this is also in the form of matching. At the back side URL, I will give you a small URL, but you have to give this, expand this Uniform Resource Locator. It is in matching exercise and plus in the form of fill in the blanks also. Next, net surfing. Okay, moving from one website to another website is called net surfing. You can look in the photograph, they are browsing with the help of mouse and they are moving one website to another website. Next topic we have web browsers. Okay, web browser is a simply browser that we can use to open a website. Okay, without web browser we cannot open web browser. Different web browser we have. First is Microsoft Internet Explorer. Students, when we have to install a window, this Internet Explorer will get inbuilt in our computer. Rest of the browser we have to download from net, like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome. Okay, Mozilla Firefox is the second famous browser after Internet Explorer. It can be used on many different operating systems including Windows, Linux and other. Google Chrome. Google Chrome is the browser developed by Google company. It is faster and very easy to install in your computer. Next, Microsoft Internet Explorer. Look in the PPT. This how you can open this Microsoft. This is also Microsoft. If Microsoft Internet Explorer is called IE. This is also in your matching. So what is mean of IE? Internet Explorer. Okay, Internet Explorer is one of website, a web browser. It is the most popular web browser. It was developed by Microsoft in 1945. Okay, it is also available separately from Windows 4 and Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Unix operating system. There are no many versions of IE. Okay, IE stands for Internet Explorer. How we can start this Internet Explorer? Then how we can start? It's very easy. You have to click on this particular icon of the Internet Explorer and you will get started. Next, this page you will get web browser window. Okay, web browser window. This is also one long answer questions in your book. Long question in your back exercise. I am going to expand what is the different buttons, what are the different commands in web browser. Okay, first one is back button. Okay, back button, forward button, website title, web address bar, search box, stop, refresh, main, address bar. It is used to type URL. Okay, address, in the address bar we have to type particular website address list. By clicking arrow you will see a list of addressing. You have type into the address bar and you will get this list. Back button, from the back button if you want to go back, then we have to click on back button. There is it will be in the form of true false. What is the working of the back button, what is the working of the forward button. Next we are having refresh button. Sometimes we are facing problem, we are not open this page, so we have to click on refresh button to get next page, to get fresh page. Next we are having tab. Tab means if you want to open another website on same browser, so we have to click on next tab. There are different tools also, like from the tools there are again different commands, setting, history, cookies and so many other commands also in the web in tools. Next, how we can operating this web browser. Okay, web browser displaying a specific web page. If you want to open a web page, how you can open this? You have to give a particular give the particular website address and you will get this page. See here, it is in another tab, it is given www.google.com. then I have to click and I will get this Google address, and this you can open by URL address also. It will be in your back exercise question answer, displaying a specific web page. How we can open any web page? We have to write, but we have to fill particular website address and then we will get this website with the help of internet. Okay, so next we are having selecting a link. Students, if you want to open sometime we are having, we are unable to open any website, but your friend, your relative, they know how to open this website. So by this we can share link. Okay, how we can share link? It's very easy. We have to open web browser. Okay, from the web browser, if after opening web browser we have to fill this website. After filling this website, we will get, if whatever the things you want to share with your friends, so you have to open and will get, we have to right click on this particular we have to right click on address bar, and then we, after right click, we have to copy this link and then we can share by mail also, by WhatsApp, in which media you want to use. It's depend upon your wish. Okay, it's called selecting a link. It's also in your back exercise. Next we are having search engine. Students, look in the PPT, there are the 6 search engine I am showing to you. What is the working of the search engine? Search engine is used to search information. Whatever the content you want to search, you can put in your search box and you will get answer. Okay, it also allow user to type any keyword from which it display as a list, a website related one website to another. Okay, suppose if you open this any website, okay, your school website, if you open, and again you want to open a website, or this, if you have put here S other thing, you will get by web browser only. These are the different web search, like a search engine. Here it is Google search engine. You can look in the photograph what is the pic of this, and next this is Yahoo search engine. Next Bing. Nowadays the famous one is Google search engine, because all the information we will get easily with the help of internet. Okay, students, here in your back exercise some matching is there. As in the video I told you that I will give you homework, and one more term is there spider. It is in the short form. Many search engine use a program is called spider to display list of all the web pages. Okay, with the help of this spider we can go one to another. Okay, this is also in your back exercise. Okay, so whatever the video I have taught, I explained also the question answer true false. You have to watch this video again and again to get your question, to get your homework. Okay, if you are watching this video, then all the homework I covered in this video, especially I mentioned this is true false, fill in the blanks. So you have to watch this video, and thank you for watching this video. Thanks and have a nice day.